Hi, I'm Liz Jones. I'm Intel's historian, and this is my job in my own words. As Intel's historian, my job is to manage the corporate archives and the Intel Museum. I get to protect, promote, and preserve Intel's incredible history. The Intel Museum is really Intel's living room. It's the place that we open up not only to employees, but to their family, their friends, our customers, and even tourists to come explore and learn more about Intel and the incredible technology that we make possible. We explore the concepts of binary code, conductors, insulators, of course semiconductors. We allow visitors to learn about how chips are designed, how they're fabricated. We educate on what a nanometer is, what a nanosecond is, and Moore's Law. The Intel Museum really tries to showcase all of Intel. We try to not only capture and showcase Intel's history, but we're working towards showing behind the scenes. While the Intel Museum in Santa Clara is still closed due to COVID, we are planning a summer 2022 reopening, but until then, you can still visit the museum through its virtual experience. You can walk through the museum virtually, watch videos.
This is one kind of mask.
Listen to audio recordings.
It's all interconnected.
Experience interactives, and take a deeper dive into Intel's technology. We own our own history. And if we don't tell a story about Intel, someone else will, and they might not get it correct. I love my job, and that's what I do for Intel.